guys, something weird is happening in my house right now. So everybody, you know my dog Lucy. She's been missing for 4 months. For 4 months, she disappeared. We don't know where she is. We try to find her and we could not. And right now we were sleeping. It is almost 12 a.m. and we've been hearing some weird noise in front of the door, the main door, like a dog noise. So I have decided to record it and to check what is going on. So guys, I prefer to bring you with me. Let's go. Hello? Is somebody there? My God, I'm going to open the door and check who is there. I put some light so that I can see who is outside there. There's like weird noise. Oh my God, let me check at the door here. There's nobody. Gosh. Oh my, I have to check if it's my dog. Pa? Pa? Oh my goodness, he's doing. Pa? Oh God, this is not my dog. This is not my dog. My dog doesn't listen to me. I don't think it's my dog. I have to go tell my baby. I saw a dog ghost. I saw a ghost.
Of what?
I would like a dog looking like Lucy. And I tried to say, give me your paw, and she listened to me. I think it's not our dog, right?
Can't be.
No, it can't, right? What do you think I should do?
Lock the door.
I lock the door? Okay, I would just lock the door. This is not Lucy at all. Let me try to check again. Oh my goodness.